In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assets in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to supply the right information so your ads look and perform their best. First, head to your Google Ads account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see performance summaries and your navigation menu. We're going to work from that left-hand sidebar to keep everything organized and easy to find. Next, click Campaigns. This brings you into the area where you manage the campaigns that your ads belong to. Opening campaigns first helps make sure any asset you add is connected in the right context, so you're applying changes where they'll actually show up. Now, find and click Asset. In Google Ads, the Assets section is where you manage add-ons that enhance your ads, such as extra links, callouts, structured snippets, images, and more. If you've used the older interface, this is what used to be called extensions. It's the same idea. Assets add more detail and give people more reasons to click. Click the plus icon. This opens the Asset Creation panel and shows you the available asset types. Think of this plus button as your starting point for building out richer, more informative ads. From here, select the specific asset you want to add. You'll see options like site links for additional landing pages, callouts for short value statements, structured snippets for lists, and image assets to visually stand out. Choose the one that matches your goal, then simply click it to continue. Provide the necessary details. The fields you see depend on the asset type you chose. For text-based assets, type clear, concise copy that aligns with your ad's message. For site links, include link text and the final URLs. For images, upload high-quality, properly sized files that look crisp on both desktop and mobile. You may also be asked where the asset should apply, such as at the campaign or ad group level, so select the scope that fits your structure. Keep an eye on character limits, use accurate and relevant language, and follow Google Ads policies. If a preview panel appears, use it to confirm everything looks right before you finish. Once you've provided those details, the asset will be added and available to serve with your ads. You'll see it listed in the Assets area where you can return later to edit, pause, or expand on it as your strategy evolves. That's it. Go to your account, click Campaigns, open Asset, hit the plus icon, pick the asset type, and provide the details. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.